Yo, what up, YouTube BX? This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod Driver Hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys. I would flip it over, but I got my address and everything on here. This is my package that I've been waiting for. This is basically the i7-14700K. Hopefully this is in the package, everything is not missing. So this is gonna be a documented, because when it comes with FedEx seem like that they always steal shit. So at no further ado, let's just pull this tab right here. Okay, I'm not going to show my information on here. So here we go. Okay, there we go. CPU right there. That's what I wanted to make sure. We got the i7-14700K. This is going to make my gaming a lot better compared towards what I was doing here with my, I believe this one's the i5-12-600KF. I believe that's what it is. Let me double check on my PC. This is why I love the height Y70 case with the touchscreen. Yeah, this is a i5-12-600KF. So there we go. So let's just unbox this bad boy real quick. Okay, sealed. Okay, let's get that bat knife box, bat knife. Let's unbox these shit. So let's cut this slowly. There we go. Come on up. Come to Papa. There we go. So that's it right there. Just want to make sure it was in here. There it goes. See the back of it right there. So I'm just gonna leave this sitting out for a few. I got other things I need to do with my computer. I'm gonna do basically do everything later on today. If not today, tomorrow. I might go out and go buy a monitor or something. I'm not completely sure yet. But I got some other things I want to purchase before I actually start this build, because I want to get some more components for my PC. So it'll make sense for me to pop this in now, change out my my 24-pin cord, and I'm buying more stuff. I want to change out my fans and stuff like that. So I'm not going to put this in a computer today. I'm going to wait till tomorrow. I might order something from Amazon, do it the next day delivery to get it here like ASAP, and go from there. So yeah, that's the CPU right there. And the reason why I did this is because the simple fact is my i5-12-600KF, basically it's limiting my GPU, which I know I have two 5070 Ti OCs, and my GPU is limited. So if I play Call of Duty, like if I was to pop in my 4070 Ti Super OC, and I was to pop it with the i5-1200-600KF, I'm hitting 260 to 270 frames per second. For some weird reason, this thing is being limited, so I'm only getting like 123 frames per second. So right there, you already know it's a CPU limitation. So this is going to help me out. This is also going to help me out with my editing and everything else. I could have put the extra $100 in and got the i9-14900K. I could have did that. I was going to do that, but to be honest, we're talking about the bare lows 1 frame to 4 frame difference in gaming. And a lot of times this one outperforms the i9-14900K, depending on the game. This kind of like overpowers it sometimes when it comes towards games, depending on the game. But we're talking about 1 to 4 frames difference, or this one overpowering the i9-14900K. So it's not always about what is the best maxed out stuff, because sometimes the maxed out stuff can actually be limited also, and the furthest back one could overpower it, which is kind of stupid. You know, you pay for the best, you should get the best. You know, certain games outperforms it in certain ways. It's kind of stupid, but yeah, that's how it is. So We got it right here. I'm on YouTube right now watching some videos because I'm trying to figure out what I want to buy. All right, guys, it's your boy Daddy Easy here, and I'm going to catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Whoa.